welcome back to another video of Vandal Explosions 912. Today, it took us a while to set this thing up, and I had this, we're in my room right now.
Yep.
See, I never lied, I had a couch, look behind you. Da, da, da. And this is in my room, seriously.
Yeah, and I am recording. Hi, guys. Wait. There we go.
Okay, so this is his pile. We each
And
got 10 cards.
we're going to start with where my foot is at. Then we're going to start at that one. Then he's going to start at this boat thing.
The boat.
Right there.
Okay, we're going to set up and see you guys later.
3, 2, 1. This card versus this. Ready, set.
Okay, time out. So, mine is blue. His is red.
Yep.
So, the cards are going to go, and whichever one hits it first, it'll go in like the circle. Show them the circle on the other side.
How?
On this side. Show them the circle. You see the circle?
It will show what color, and that's blue. Okay.
Yeah, this is red. He's a little bit colorblind.
Okay,
those colors. Okay,
ready?
So, ready?
Set,
Go.
go. Oh, white one wins by so much. We'll get set up with the next ones. Oh yeah, guys, and red won that time. So we are gonna verse the.
This is mine. This is his.
Yeah, and the like Lamborghini thing. I forgot. Okay, ready?
I technically
set.
have a shorter shot. Go.
No! Who won? You! Oh, I won! Red won! 2-0. We'll set up the next one. So we got them set up and ready?
So, I'm probably going to lose this whole entire game, but that's okay.
How do you
Good
know,
thing we're
Ryker?
having fun.
Yep, we're having a lot of fun.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I won again. Red has 3 and blue has 0. So we both have a. He got a truck and I have a truck. And
But he's not using it right now.
no, I'm not using it, and
3,
he's using his
2,
truck.
1,
and
go.
Yes! Oh, dang it!
Mine hit first.
Oh, I just won.
Nope, it didn't go up.
We should restart that.
Mine won.
No, we're gonna restart that.
Yeah.
Okay.
If we re-roll the clip, but we won't probably. You would have saw.
Okay.
Mine
Ready?
just went. And then yours just went.
That's so weird. Okay, let's go.
3, 2, go.
Oh, I won.
I moved the truck.
Oh,
Nothing
we gotta redo that again.
3, 2, 1, go.
Who won? I won again. 4-0.
Yeah.
It's all trash pile, and that's good pile right
Yes, it's
there.
Lambo right now.
Yeah,
Who
Lamborghini.
are you?
Lamborghini versus.
I have my best car at the end. Ding, ding, ding. Go.
Who won?
Finally, first win.
Oh,
Dude, that car's just
Lamborghini lost. Dang.
Losing pile, winning pile. Here's my Kindle. Ding.
Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Okay, so ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
One.
Orange one.
Oh,
Orange.
So red.
His name is Orange, by the way.
Red lost, so it's 2-4. I got 4, red got 4, and blue got 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so up next one.
He's using his truck.
Oh yeah.
I'm using my hot road.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, time out though. I put this car, like my third best car, in here. And then I was like, ooh, is a car in here? Ooh. Right?
Yep.
That's hilarious. 3, 2, 1, go.
No! Yes! So it's 5-2. Woo! I'm winning.
Boo.
Boo, boo,
Thanks
boo.
for saying boo with me.
Boo, boo, boo.
Okay, so he says this is a bumblebee. Comment down below.
That's not a bumblebee.
Comment down below if you think this is a bumblebee. Comment down below if you think this is a bumblebee.
So what one do you think's a
He
bumblebee?
thinks this is the bumblebee. I think this is.
1 or 2. 1 is like the one that kind of looks like bumblebee, and 2 is that one right there. Okay, ready, set, go.
No! What?
Yes! I won again! So it is 6 and 2. So red got 6 and blue got 2.
Mohawk always wins.
Oh,
Not
I found.
this one.
Oh, Spider-Man. Let's see who Spider-Man versus
Spider-Man
Mohawk
got-
guy.
Superman got nothing on me. Yes!
Oh! So
Loser, winner. You won. Wait, this car's faster, by the way.
okay, I won again.
No.
Wait, you won. So we have to leave, and I won. So bye.